Hello students, today we'll begin our new chapter, that is electricity. So about the electricity, most of you know that the devices around us is actually operated with the help of electricity only. The mobile phone that you carry in your hand actually needs electricity, but the electricity produced by battery is actually used in the mobile phone. The TV that you have, television that you have, computer, or your fan, your light bulb, this all are operated with the help of electricity. So in this chapter, what we will learn? We will learn basically about electric cell, then about electric circuit, then about light emitting diode, and then electric switch. So let us begin our first topic, that is electric cell.
Dry-cell battery. When we switch on a flashlight, an electric current will pass through the batteries inside it and onto the bulb, which will then begin glowing. The dry-cell battery is an electric cell, and it is used to produce an electric current. The dry cell is another name for the commonly used battery, and it is so named because it uses a paste-like electrolyte, unlike the wet cells which have liquid electrolytes. Let's take a look at the insides of a standard dry cell so that we will understand how it works. A typical battery is made of a carbon rod that acts as a cathode, positive electrode at which a reduction reaction occurs. Around the cathode is powdered manganese oxide. Surrounding the manganese oxide is a moist paste of ammonium chloride. This paste will act as an electrolyte. Both the cathode and the electrolyte will be wrapped in cardboard and inserted into a cylindrical casing made of zinc. The casing will act as an anode, which will be the negative electrode. The whole setup is enclosed inside a steel case with a brass cap on the carbon rod. A dry cell battery converts chemical energy directly into electrical energy. The anode has two terminals, one positive and one negative. When a bulb is connected to these terminals, electrons flow from the zinc casing to the carbon rod. This reaction produces about 1.5 volts of electricity. After being used for a certain period of time, a primary dry cell will be drained off. A secondary dry cell can be recharged, giving us rechargeable batteries. Summary. Dry cells have an electrolyte in the form of a moist paste. In dry cells, a carbon rod acts as the cathode, zinc casing acts as an anode, and ammonium chloride acts as the electrolyte.